turn.
Thank you.
Usually has a camper, or not a camper, but a hard shell on the back. I took it off. Winter, summer, back on the
project. Jigsaw, right?
Yeah.
That's what she's called.
I don't think this is gonna do that well.
All that matters is the side by.
It started as a samurai.
This was a samurai?
It was.
Was. None of the life in a galaxy far, far away. So we stop. Right there. So once you start teetering, you're fully flexed out.
Just look at that.
So, once again, this is just an example. Casey isn't participating, he's just flexing.
You got it.
Alan, you next?
All right, everyone else that wants to participate, please line up behind the jigsaw. I'll open the cones on this end. It looks like it's open. We'll pull you guys up. We'll get you centered up.
Driver's side.
We'll throw up the tire on the forklift and all right, fully flexed out. Give it up. All right, guys, next in we have the Punisher. JT.
Let's go, Alan. I took a video of it. Awesome. Please send it to me. Oh, okay.
Hold up.
Please send it. Okay, I will. I'll post it on Facebook and tag you. Okay.
Now he's good. I think you might have a little on the jigsaw. We're good? 37.5 inches of flex. Pretty impressive.
Well, Brantley lost. At least he tried.
That's a lot.
Give it up for the Punisher.
You knew you were going to. Yeah. But that was awesome.
You can let him guide you in, but I've got him in.
Yeah, I honestly can't do that with it.
Right there, you're good. Going up. Yeah.
Thank you for that on video.
35.25. $37.5 is still the measurement to beat. Give it up for the Orange Mojave. Coming in next, we've got Gandalf.
Is that where your head went? Yeah.
What did the drinks drop? That's good.
Down to touch. 21? All right, give it up for Gandalf. I'm going to give you the mic, my man, and you can tell us a little bit about your truck.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a 12-inch coilover conversion VNF lift kit. It's got 38 by 1550s on a 26 by 16. It's got some powder underneath the hood. It's mostly stock engine for the most part, except for a stage 1 turbo, and then a full 4 straight inch turbo back exhaust. Other than that, that's pretty much it. It's all cosmetic. So. Oh, it started? Oh, okay.
No, we did not.
I saw him pull up.
Damn truck guys always got to start their engine.
We got to flex somehow.
True.
Yeah. It takes a second for it to kick in, but once it kicks in, yeah.
All right, here. All right, Chris, tell us a little bit about your build here.
Well, it's a 1984 Cincinnati. I bought it 2 years ago, and it did not look like this. It took 1 year to build. Basically, brand new motor, it's only got 400 miles, 350 crate, 4-speed, granny load, stock axle, put some bigger tires on it, custom interior thing. I just like to keep it old school. Not even a fuel injector, still carburetor.
All right, guys. Give it up for both my contestants.
Good job, guys. That was nice.
All right, guys, make some noise for the Ford F-250 Garrett's truck.
Hold on, we got to hear the other truck first.
Oh, hold on. I'm sorry. Chris, start your engine. Turbo diesel versus naturally aspirated crate motor. Carburetor. All right, guys. Give it up for F-250. All right, guys. Give it up for our Silverado. I mean, do I need to do it again? We go with the Silverado. It's a good looking truck, Chris. Great job.
Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe.